Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix your problems step by step, one step at a time. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Snapchat login error for Android and iOS, alright? So the steps are similar, so follow the step which I'm going to show you. But before that, just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. Let's move on. First step, check your internet, because sometimes due to slow internet as well, it causes this problem. And if the internet is not your problem and you're still facing this, then what you can do is, just go to your phone setting, and over here want to go on general and iPhone storage. Then just basically delete your Snapchat and reinstall it again, because in Android you don't have the offloading feature, alright? So you can delete your Snapchat and reinstall it again. But for iPhone user, you can come over here, select Snapchat, offload app. Your Snapchat will be offloaded. After offloading Snapchat, reinstall app over here, and your Snapchat will be reinstalled. Once your Snapchat is reinstalled, try to open it and it should work. If it still doesn't work, then for iPhone user as well, you need to delete your Snapchat and reinstall it again. And even after deleting and reinstalling your Snapchat, if it didn't work, then when you're logging into your account, make sure the email or the username you wrote is correct, and make sure the password you wrote is correct as well. Because if any one of those is incorrect as well, then you cannot log in into your Snapchat account. And if any of the tips I gave you didn't fix your problem, then what you can do is go on your browser, and on your browser search for Snapchat login error. After you search for Snapchat login error, click on troubleshoot Snapchat login issue. And this is the official troubleshooting page of Snapchat. It's going to tell you all the reason why you're not able to log in into your account. So you can read this by coming to this page, or you can just pause the video to read what's written over here. I'm just going to scroll through all of this slowly one at a time, so you can pause the video and read it, alright? So that's it for today's video. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.